Hello there, and welcome to something very different. I'm very spontaneous. Basically, I have a package, and this package was sent to me by Blackpool Pleasure Beach, or Pleasure Beach Resort, more specifically, their retail team. Story time. I was walking back to my car on Monday afternoon last week, turned my phone off aeroplane mode, and a notification came through. Pleasure Beach Shopping had messaged me on Instagram, which was quite star-striking, and they said they'd like to thank me for being an incredible supporter of Pleasure Beach Shopping and a valued guest at Pleasure Beach Resort. As a token of our appreciation, we'd love to include you on our exclusive PR list and send you a special package, this thing, filled with exciting items we think you'll love. And they asked me for my clothing size. So, basically, I've got this package from Pleasure Beach Resort Shopping retail team, and before I open it, I just want to say thank you. I'm literally just a fan of the place that's ended up making videos on it, on the park, and as you all know, if you've seen any of my vlogs, I always go in the shop and show the merch. There's always new merch, and the ride parts in particular. I wonder if there's any ride parts in here, eh? I love the park, I love the merch, and the fact that they've reached out to me, messaged me on Instagram, offered to send me a package. Yeah, it means a lot actually. So yeah, I want to thank everyone involved with this in Pleasure Beach Retail and at Pleasure Beach Resort, the park itself. So yeah, I really appreciate that. I was really starstruck when I got the message, and it still doesn't feel real that I'm unboxing something that they've sent to me. Like, there's two videos on the channel from me unboxing stuff from Pleasure Beach. One of them is a Nickelodeon Streak piece of wood, and the other is my brick, a replica brick from the Wall of Names. These things right here, go check them out. As I was saying though, this video feels weird. Thank you so much to the retail team and the park and everyone involved with sending me this. Now it's time to unbox. It's been ages since I've done a sit down video. I don't really have the setup for it. This is why I barely do them. But let's unbox the package, the box. I need to make sure that didn't show my address. This is going really well. So luckily we've got these things we can just rip it open with. It's the first time I've seen a package like that actually. It's normally like really difficult to open these boxes, or it's normally sellotape, but here we go. I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside. It's not too heavy. I don't know how to film this because I can't get it all on camera. But here we go. The box is... That was not as easy as I thought it would be. I thought it'd just be a straight rip. I've dropped it. The box is open. Oh, there's loads of stuff in here. There's another thing for me to rip here on this side. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's lovely. I've got a teddy bear in a lovely Pleasure Beach Resort bag, which you can get your shopping in. One of these bags. They do like massive versions of them as well. Here we go. I've got this teddy. That's lovely, and there's also some other stuff in this bag. Coaster cutouts. Oh my goodness. Is this another video idea? One of these Valhalla things. I am nowhere. I'm just not creative in the slightest. I'm rubbish with stuff like this. Building. It says skill level easy, so we'll see. But this is one of those ornaments that you can make, basically. The Pleasure Beach do a lot of these. There's like stuff with Icon, Big One, Valhalla, like the trains. And you make them out of these pieces of wood. And yeah, just these parts here. That will be a fun video idea for the winter, so stay tuned. Might have to get Danielle to help me. This is funny. They've sent me some boxes. I wrote the big one as well on them. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, Pleasure Beach sell boxes and I've just been sent a pair. I really, really appreciate that, yeah. And here is the bear. Please comment what you think I should name this bear. Bear Park Mad. Can anyone think of something better than that? I don't know. Really appreciate this. Like, this is stuff I've seen in the shops and have probably featured on videos. Why does my camera keep going blurry? I don't know. But yeah, that's the first part of this unboxing. I've got some undies, I've got a cutout, and I've got a teddy bear, and I've got this lovely bag. But there's more in my package. There's also a promotional thing here. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Special Agent Briefing, Operation Thank You. So basically, it's Black Friday tomorrow at the time of recording. Hopefully today at the time of upload. And obviously they're doing sales for it, and go check out the social media. I should have said this at the start of the video. At pleasure_beach shopping on Instagram. Link in the description. Because the content on there is really good for the marketing, and just they're absolute legends, to be honest. Dear Agent J. J stands for Josh. Your loyalty to our mission has not gone unnoticed, and we're grateful for your continued support. As a thank you, you've been entrusted with a top secret bonus code, one that unlocks an additional 10% off on top of our 30% site-wide Black Friday sale. This exclusive code is designed to help you and your trusted circle unlock even greater savings. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say it in the video, so I will not say it, but I will drop them a message, and if they say that it's for the viewers as well, go get your, well, 40% off, 30% plus your extra 10%, 40% off merch on the website this weekend, I imagine, last weekend of the season. Go and check it out. The mission brief is to share this code with your inner circle friends, family, followers. I can. The more the merrier. Oh my god. Right. The exclusive code is, oh no, Agent J10 is the code. Here we go. I said oh no then because I saw the code active. Oh, I thought it was active until the 29th of November, which is tomorrow at the time of recording. But yeah, it's active from 12 AM on the 29th of November. So yeah, go and get your merch. Pleasure Beach Shopping, 40% off, Agent J10. Let them in on the secret and give them access to bigger discounts. There you go, you're welcome. Thank you for your ongoing support and dedication. Stay sharp, stay stylish. I'm not sure about that one, me. I know we've always got your back. Best Agents Fun and Shine, Pleasure Beach Store HQ. That is so cool. I can't believe this. That's so cool. I have just had to change my camera battery, so apologies if the positioning is a little bit different. But yeah, Agent J10, go get 40% off Pleasure Beach merch on the website with that code from 12 o'clock tomorrow. This video will be out after 12 o'clock because I'm not that good. I've got a Top Trumps packet. I'm not gonna lie, I've always been eyeing these up in the shop, considered buying them myself. Top Trumps is basically like I don't know how to open it. Top Trumps basically these cards with facts about a certain topic. Can be about anything. And this year, Pleasure Beach have started their own Top Trumps. They've started displaying facts on the rides in front of the entrance, and of course selling these cards. So yeah, I'm obviously not going to read through all of these. Whatever you're into, so are we. Well, I'm into Pleasure Beach, Resort, Blackpool, and they are too. Here we go. The bottom card says, do you want to know some fabulous facts about the park? Every year more than 1 million donuts are made and devoured. Each day the big one travels 250 miles. The distance from Blackpool to London. That's pretty cool. The maintenance team uses more than 170,000 screws and 12,000 litres of paint per year. What a start. Shout out to the maintenance team, absolute legends. Laid end to end, all the hot dogs that are eaten at Blackpool Pleasure Beach per year would go around the big one track 23 times. Pizza the action, More than 70,000 are made every year. Pizza Kitchen is always packed when I walk past, not gonna lie, so that doesn't surprise me. Visitors enjoy over 200,000 sticks of a popular boiled confectionery each year. I assume that means like the sticks of rock. They've got the websites on there as well. Oh, it is a game. There's a game. Honestly, my knowledge just is no good, is it? 30 cards down, hold your cards face up. The player to the dealer's left starts. Read out a stat from the top card. The other players must then read out the same stat. If you have the best or highest value, you win that round. So basically, if you have a card with a big one on and you have to select the height, you win. That's a game we can play at Christmas. Thank you so much for that. That's cool. I've been seeing them all over the park and the shops all year. Considered getting them myself. Next, I can see what it is through this, I don't know what it's called. Oh my god, there's a coat as well. But first, I've got some beautiful Mr. Funshine pyjamas. Let's go. That's so cool. I'm gonna put the top on. That is amazing. Fits perfectly. Just put the top on there. Funshine logo, long sleeved, warm for the winter. Absolutely buzzing with that. I guess I just finished a video in me Funshine pyjama top. Pleasure Beach have spoilt me rotten, I'm telling you. Thank you so much. Last but not least, it's winter. So the need for these are very strong. Oh my god, I didn't realise they were fleece as well. Got this massive Valhalla coat. This huge coat. You bet I'm trying this on. This coat is huge. I think they're meant to be though, aren't they? Like, that's how they're made. But, oh my goodness. There's fleece inside. It's warm. Oh my goodness. I can't zip it up properly. There we go. I wish I could have like the full me on camera right now, but apologies. Countless pockets. This is really cool. It literally goes all the way down to my knees. It's a very big coat. And I think it's made specially for Valhalla. And big one. Has the ride, the adventure branding on there as well. There's a logo here and on the back. And that's the end of this unboxing video. I can't believe it. Like I said, they've spoilt me rotten. Like, I've got a coat, I've got a teddy, I've got underwear, pyjamas, top trumps, a personalised letter with a discount code on it which I can share with the legends that watch my channel. That means a lot. Once again, thank you so much to Pleasure Beach and their retail team, everyone involved, for sending me this. It really does mean a lot. And the things you've sent are amazing as well. Just give us a name for Bear Park Mad over here. And if you fancy a Black Friday deal on some Pleasure Beach merch, Agent J10, all caps, no spaces, when checking out. I'll put a link to their online shop in the description as well. This also wouldn't have happened if you guys didn't watch these videos, so another thank you goes to anyone who's watching this, anyone who's watched any of my videos this year. It's been a crazy year for the channel and I've absolutely loved it, and I'm actually quite gutted that it's coming to an end on Saturday. But yeah, thank you all so much for your support, and as a thank you, a joint thank you from me and Blackpool Pleasure Beach Resort, get 40% off some merch. But no, I can't express my gratitude enough. I really do appreciate it. And I think that's the right time to end it. Just one day remains of the Pleasure Beach 2024 season. It's gone so quickly. Stay tuned for the vlog and any other videos I filmed that day. There's fireworks as well. And if you're going, enjoy yourself and feel free to come and say hello. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Pleasure Beach, the retail team, for sending me this and allowing this video to happen. Check out the screen to see more. Stay tuned for closing weekend. And I'll see you then. Bye.